Okay, so February 2nd, 2010, we've got our little home crew out here shoveling away. We started off with a single path. Lisa's doing a single path up the side there. Snow is up on the windows, but not totally burying them. And the front yard is about 2 feet, in most places about 3 to 4 feet, maybe hip high. Well, not 4 feet, maybe 3 feet where we've shoveled it up. We have a single path down here over to Helen and Bill's house and the next door neighbors over there who are doing cell phone duty, and a narrow path going up to Helen's front porch.